Alright, I just got back from the lumber store, had to get a ridge cap and a few more materials. Make sure I have everything to get this thing done. Well, as usual, the weather's about to get silly. Can't get a break, but I'm gonna keep on rolling anyway.
The weather hasn't helped our cause. It has been raining every day since the snow melted. But Conor is very determined to keep on going with the greenhouse. As I read these lines, he is building the door. He started this weekend setting up the windows that were missing.
Alright. So Tony came by, checked out the greenhouse. I think he was impressed. That's good, and he's going to give me some more siding material so I don't have to use all plywood. So let's keep on trucking, shall we?
Once more, thank you, Tony, for your help. Tony gave us the windows, and now he gave us some siding material. We got the siding material from Tony's house when Conor finished putting up the windows. He's my hard-working man. He finished setting up the windows quickly, and of course, I was there to photograph the last window. I have been enjoying seeing Conor in his element. I admire him. I love making him company and seeing all his work in the greenhouse. He builds houses for a living, and having something he built on our property means a lot to me.
Alright. 3 sides done. 1, 2, 3. Tomorrow, the last side and the roof.
Conor is putting the last piece of plywood. I'm very excited. Yay! He has been working hard for over a month to build us a greenhouse. So, hey, I'm super excited.
Last piece of siding.
Oh, it only needs 1 screw.
Okay.
It is sided, and the only part that is missing is the roof. And look at it, it's gorgeous. It's really tall. And the most important thing is that Conor made it. I enjoyed the whole process. Look, excited. Hey, sweetness. I'm very proud of you, sweetheart.
I love his dedication. He had to cut all the roofing material by hand. Cutting it on the wind wasn't easy. We got in the greenhouse to get cover, and for the first time, I helped him.
I love him. He made Moose Heart, the Moose Heart logo.
Moose Heart Photography is my other business, where I take photos of high school seniors and families. I will leave the link in the description for you to check it out. When we were done cutting the roofing material, the fun part for Conor began, setting them up on the wind. I was amazed by his ability and his balance. He knows precisely where he is standing and what he's doing. He fought with the wind the whole time he was on the roof. He has been fighting with the weather the entire process of the greenhouse. We had gusts of wind of 40 miles an hour. But Conor is my truss monkey, and he put up the roof like that. Seeing him up in the air was very impressive. I couldn't believe when he crawled on the ridge cap.
Hey guys, look at the dedication of Conor. It's raining and he keeps working on the greenhouse.
He's very angry.
Conor is very angry because it's raining.
Either raining or windy or hailing or something. God forbid I build in nice weather. Where's my life?
We are getting ready to plant the veggies in the greenhouse. Meantime, Conor was building the door. I was getting the raised bed ready. So look, the base is done. The base is wet cardboard. And it will decompose. Yay! We're almost done. I can't wait to see it finished and eat the delicious fruits and veggies we raise with love. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment and a like. See you next week!